Hey there, it's Des for Metro by T-Mobile, and today we're unboxing the most affordable smartphone in the A series family to date, the Samsung Galaxy A03s. It features all the essentials you'll need, like a high-definition display, multi-lens camera, and long-lasting battery. Best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide network. Now let's start with the screen. The A03s has a large 6.5-inch HD Infinity V display with a 60Hz refresh rate. Right up here on the top is the 5-megapixel front-facing camera. Over on the back, the A03s has a triple lens camera with a 13-megapixel main camera, 2-megapixel depth lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. On the bottom, you'll see the A03s uses USB-C charging for its powerful 5,000 mAh battery. Plus, it's got a 3.5mm headphone jack. And over here on the side, you'll find its fingerprint sensor integrated into the power button. Now the A03s comes with 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of built-in storage. Plus, it has an expandable micro SD card slot that lets you add up to 1 terabyte more. It runs Android 11 out of the box and has a Mediatek octa-core processor. Inside the box, you've got the new Samsung Galaxy A03s, documentation and quick start guide, SIM pin, and a USB-C charging cable. The new Samsung Galaxy A03s, the essentials you need at an affordable price, all on T-Mobile's nationwide network. You can check out the new Galaxy A03s at your favorite Metro by T-Mobile store and online at metrobytmobile.com. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for another excellent video coming up next.